What's going on, guys? Welcome to Modern JavaScript from the Beginning 2.0. So I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to what you can expect from this course. So this is the most in-depth course that I've done so far. I've spent about 6 months on it. It's 37 plus hours long. And the reason it's so long is because it literally takes you from what is a variable to creating a full stack application with Node.js backend and a front end that uses Webpack tooling along with modules, UI components, an API service, etc. So if you're a beginner, don't let that overwhelm you because we start at the absolute beginning, as the name implies. We hit on everything from DOM manipulation and events, asynchronous JavaScript and HTTP, object-oriented programming, including classes and prototypes. We even look at what happens behind the scenes with execution context, the call stack, the event loop, and so on. So you don't just learn the syntax, but you learn how things actually work. And I think that's what sets this course from the rest. So we even get into unit testing with Jest. It's basically a JavaScript boot camp. So there's 4 or 5 larger projects, maybe 10 to 15 mini projects, depending on what you want to call a project. But this course isn't all about projects. It's full of learning modules where I explain every line of code. I also added challenges so that you can try things on your own and then check it with my solution. I think it's really important that you do things on your own in addition to, copying code from the instructor. So people that get this course from traversymedia.com will also get full documentation for every single video, every piece of code, nicely structured within Markdown files. So anytime you need to look something up, you don't have to find and scroll through videos. You have all the docs right there, neatly formatted, anytime you need them. As far as who should take this course, I wanted to create a course that absolutely anybody could take. Like I said, we start at the beginning, so it is for beginners. However, we move well past that beginner range into the stuff that I mentioned and much more. So even if you're already working as a JavaScript developer, there's something in this course for you. And it was created in a way that you could use it like you would use documentation. So if you can't remember how to use the Canvas API or how to handle multiple promises, you can go to those sections and you can refer to the documentation and you can watch those specific videos. All right, so let's jump in. Hope you enjoy it, and let's start writing some JavaScript.